Hey everyone, let's add a simple HUD with HP bar in Unreal Engine 5. First, we will create a widget blueprint and call it WBP underscore HUD. Add a canvas panel by dragging it over the designer space, then add a progress bar for health. Adjust the location and color as per your desire. Now, bind the bars percentage. Once you click bind, you will be inside the logic graph. Here we get the owning player pawn and hook it up with the cast to third person character node, along with the execution pin of the bind. Lastly, just get the max HP variable and hit points or current hit points variable. Divide current HP by max HP, and that would give us value between 0 and 1, which will be used as a percentage for the bind. Next, in your player blueprint, on event begin play, create widget, select the desired widget, and add it to the viewport. Hit OK, and now there is a HP bar that updates with every damage you take. This same concept could be used to extend the functionality to stamina, ammo, magic, or anything else in your HUD.